Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to study about different operations of fractions. Here operation does not mean that a surgeon does with the help of scissors and the blades. But here operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start studying. So students, let's study operation of fractions. So we learn here that what are additions of fractions, how we subtract fractions, multiplication and the division of fractions. So for this I have taken a very simple example. 5 by 2 is a fraction, again the 7 by 8 is a fraction, and now we add these two fractions. And how do we add? Let's see. It is first we take the LCM of these two denominators, 2 and 8. What is the LCM over here? It is 8. So we write 8 here and draw a line over 8. Now we divide 8 by 2 and we get 4. And now we multiply this 5 that is on the denominator part to 4. Again we divide 8 by 8. This denominator is divided by this 8 LCM. Again we get a 1 and we multiply this 7 to 1, and what the numbers come? 5 into 4 plus 7 into 1. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So the number is 20 plus 7, 27 by 8. And this is again an improper fraction. So we convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So it comes 8 into 3 equal to 24 and the remainder will be 3. So 3 upon 8. This is all about the addition of fraction. How do we add a fraction? Let us take one more example for your better understanding. Let us take a fraction 3 by 11 plus 9 by 12. These two fractions has to be added. So how do we add? We again take the LCM of 11 and 22. The LCM is 22. Again we divide this 11 and this divide 22 by 11. We get 2. So we multiply this 3 to 2. 3 into 2. Again we divide this 22 by 22. What we get? 1. So 9 is multiplied to 1. So the LCM will be the numerator will be 3 into 2 6 plus 9 into 1 equal to 9, and it comes 6 plus 9 15 by 22, and it is a proper fraction, so we cannot convert this into a mixed fraction. So this is all about the addition, and I hope you have understood the addition of fraction. Now similarly we take subtraction. Now we take the example, simple example. We take 9 by 5. I have taken a fraction. Again this 4 by 15 is a fraction, and we put a minus sign in between so that 9 by 5 is to be subtracted. 9 by 5, 14 by 15 is to be subtracted from 9 by 5. So what we do? We do the same thing, the same process of LCM is there. We take the LCM of 5 and 15. The LCM is 15. Now what we do? We divide 15 by this 5 number and we get 3, and this 9 is multiplied to 3, and again 15 divided by 15 we get 1, and this 4 is multiplied to 1. So 9 into 3 minus 4 into 1 equal to 20. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 4 into 1 equal to 4. So 27 minus 4 is equal to 23 by 15. So this is again a improper fraction. So we can convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So 15 divided by 23, 23 divided by 15, 1 is the quotient, 8 is the remainder, and 15 is 15. So it comes 1 8 by 15. And again we take one more example for subtraction. 7 by 3 minus 5 by 9 is a fraction. 5 by 9 has to be subtracted from 7 by 3. So let's see how we do. 3 and 9, the LCM is 9. Again 9 divided by 3, it comes 3. So 7 into 3 and 9 divided by 9 and 1 comes, so 5 multiplied to 1, so the number is 7 into 3, 21, minus 5 is to 1 equal to 5, and it comes 16 by 9. Again it is an improper fraction, so we convert this into a mixed fraction. So 7 by 9 is the answer. So we have seen that in both the cases, addition and subtraction, we apply the same method, same thing is there, only instead of plus sign, minus sign is here. So in this case we will add up, and this case we will subtract. So this is only the difference, and I hope you have understood it. Now let's go to the multiplication part. How do we multiply? Suppose we have to multiply one fraction 3 by 16 into 4 by 15. What we do? We see that if any factor comes that can cancel the upper portion to lower portion, or the numerator to denominator. So let's see what happens over here. So 15 can be divided by 3. So we divide 15 by 3, we get here 1 and we get here 5. Again we see the 16 can be divided by 4. So we get 1 here and 4 here. 4 here. So we see on the numerator side 1 is to 1 is the number, and the denominator side 4 is to 5 is the number. So the numbers comes 1 is to 1 equal to 20, and 1 is to 1 equal to 1, and 4 is to 5 equal to 20. Let's take one more example for multiplication. 2 by 7 is a number, and 21 by 34 is a fraction. So again these two fractions has to be multiplied. So what we do? We see that 27 can divide 21 and 2 can divide 34. So what we do? We 7 into 3, so we cancel 7 to 23. 3 is here and 1 is here. Again 17 can divide 34 by 2. So we get 1 here and 17 here. So what we get at the end? On the numerator side we see 1 is to 3, and denominator side 1 is to 17. So the number fraction comes 3 by 17. Again it is a proper fraction, so we cannot convert this into a mixed fraction. Let us see the division part. Division part is similar to multiplication part. Only thing, when this division converts into multiplication, this number on the right hand side get reverse. Reverse means 27, or the numerators come to denominator place and denominators come to numerator place. So let's see one example. 2 by 9 divided by 16 by 27. 2 by 9, and now this division converted to multiplication. So what we will do? We will put this 27 here and this 16 will come here. Now again we do what we have done into the into multiplication. 2, this 9 into 3 equal to 27. So write here 3 and 1 is here. 2 multiplied to 8 is 16. So we write 8 here and 1 here. I hope you are getting this. 1 is to 3. We get the number 1 is to 3 and 1 is to 8. So 3 by 8 is the answer. This fraction is the answer for the division of 2 by 9 divided by 16 by 2 by 9 divided by 16 by 27. So let's take one more example. 3 by 5 divided by 8 by 15. 3 by 5, and this division we convert this division into multiply. So the number here will be 8 by 15 will convert into 15 by 8. Again what we do? 5 can cancel 15 by 3. So we write here 1 and we write here 3. And we see that 3 cannot cancel, or 3 is not a factor of 8. So 3 cannot cancel 8. So 3 and 8 will remain there. So what we see here? 3 into 3 on the numerator side, and on the denominator side we see 1 is to 8. So the answer is 9 by 8. Again it is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So we get the mixed fraction over here. 1 upon 8 is the answer. So I hope you have understood this thoroughly. And one more request to you, that please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting my all the classes. Previous class you can also get by subscribing my channel, and in the coming future, whenever my class will come, you will be the first person to get my classes. Okay, thank you friends.